One question we get fairly often here at MyMedic is, how do I replace or replenish the items that I've used out of my first aid kit? So I've got the MyFac Pro here. Let's say I've used just a few items out of here treating, let's say, just a minor burn. Let's say I grabbed some burn gel out of the burn mod, a little bit of gauze out of the gauze mod, and some pain medication out of my medication mod. So I've dipped into 3 different mods. How do I replace these? All these mods are available on our website a la carte. So if all you want is a burn mod, you can go ahead and buy just a burn mod. You can buy just the gauze mod. You can buy any mod that we offer online just by itself. Another option are med packs. For example, I keep a burn med pack and a cuts and scrapes med pack right in my tool chest in the garage. So these are a one-stop shop solution for a specific injury, but also a great way to replenish something that you may have used out of your first aid kit. So this burn med pack right here will cover all the things that I've used out of each of these mods. I can pull the gauze out of here, put it back in my gauze mod. I pull the burn gel out, put it back in my burn mod. Pull the medication out, that pain relief that I used, and now I've replenished all these things from just this med pack. So either way, it's cheap, it's easy, and it keeps everything organized. So when you do use something out of your first aid kit, don't forget to replace it as soon as possible.